you're always going to see videos that say, scam. Is it legit? Is it badass? Are you wasting your time? They're all over YouTube. They're all over the internet, that's for sure. But all I can tell you is if you're looking into joining Save Club as a member to save money on things you're already going to buy or maybe buy in the future, or do you want to be an affiliate, I think I'm a pretty good person to get a hold of. Okay, I've joined about 41 days ago. We officially kicked off 11 days ago, June 1st of 2025. Now, today I'm producing this video June 11th of 2025. So after 11 days officially being released, and I also did a 30-day pre-launch. And that's where most of us who want to be affiliates, where we pay $60, we want to go ahead and find other people that want to join and also spread the word about Save Club, and we grow together. Now, when you're a brand new company, are we going to have millions of deals in millions of cities with millions of dollars being made? Sometimes, yeah, you get lucky out the get-go, but this is a slow burn. This is not some get-rich-quick thing. This is where you spend $19.97 a month. And for 30 days, if you are buying tires, mattresses, food, automotive, travel, you need a lift. Buy Lyft in America. Do you need insurance? Do you want Sirius satellite so you can crank some music or listen to sports, politics, whatever? There's going to be millions of deals by going to saveclub.com and putting your username and password in. On the screen, you're going to see other competitors like Orbitz and Priceline, Groupon. And what's awesome, it shows you how far away from the destination. So if you put in a zip code where I live, I can see local deals too. But if I want to, let's say, go down to Florida or Fiji or go to the Philippines, I can put that country or zip code in and search for deals there because maybe I want to go over there and save money. Maybe I want to go to Disneyland. Maybe I want to go to Burger King and get a Whopper 20 miles down the street from where I'm at right now. I can look and say, hey, right on, I can get 2 for 1. Why not get 2 Whoppers for the price of 1? That way I can get twice as fat, twice as much diabetes or high blood pressure. 2 all beef patties, special sauce and pickles and all that stuff like McDonald's, right? But is it a scam? Is it legit? All I can tell you, guys, I've made about 300 videos already in 40 days about Save Club. My experience, I've saved about $900 just by logging in and seeing what deals I can get at Discount Tire, Purple Mattress, a couple car washes. I've been to quite a few restaurants where I save $5 here, $10 there. It's exciting for me. It's almost like a game. And I'm not going out of my way just to say I'm saving money for a video. Okay? I'm as honest as I can be. If something doesn't make me money, you're not going to see me make a video because I can't get my time back. I'm almost 60 years old. The average person I talk to, I'm like 20, 30, 40 years young. They're younger than me. They have time to mess around. I don't. Okay? I'm not looking for a cash grab. I've had a job every day of my life since 1980. So I'm not desperate. I'm not trying to fake to make. I don't have that shiny ball syndrome. I've already got shiny balls above and below in this old body of mine, and I don't need any more. But I do enjoy saving money, and it does make me feel good if you do. And if you join as an affiliate for $60 and you start making money, well, to be brutally honest, so do I. I make more money if you do. Am I going to help you make more money? Yeah, Captain Obvious would say yes. But I also get paid 4 levels even deeper. So if someone signs up underneath you and they make money, I can make more money. And if they sign up someone and they do 5 levels deep with our pay plan, I love it because I can make 5 levels deep of income by just helping you help your downline. And if I can do videos like this, do like live Zooms, we do all of it. I belong to a real big team. And if you join my funnel system or my Save Club business, I'm going to give you an invite to two groups. Because all of us leaders, we have our own way and technique of doing things. We have a lot of free pictures and banners you can use to email somebody or use on social media. We have a lot of video because we know that most people in the beginning, you're not going to even want to do a video like this where you just talk. You're nervous. You don't know what to do. Share your screen. We are going to make as much new content every week, usually by every Monday. When you log in, you're going to see a folder. So for example, let's say it says June 9th. Okay, look for 6/9. Open that folder up and you're going to have new pictures and new videos that you can use. And a week later, let's just say it says 6/14 or 15 or 16. Open up that link. Oh my gosh, there's more pictures and even more fresh video. That way you can mix it up. We don't want everyone sharing the same video and the same picture, but we do realize that if you're not going to make a video or know how to make a picture or share something, you're going to get stalled and you're just going to quit. And sure, you're going to save money with Save Club, but I want you to be an affiliate. I want you to make money, and I want to help you make money. And believe me, this is not hard to talk about when you invite people to save money on things they're already buying. It's only $20 a month, not $100 a month. And if people don't want to do Save Club after a month, you just don't pay. That's it. It's real simple. It's a low entry level. This is not high ticket. You don't have to finance something on a credit card or break open a piggy bank that your daughter or your son might like, and you're saving for that college fund. Okay? I'm talking $60, $19.97. So $79.97. I also have a funnel system. It's the only funnel out right now, and it works. It's signed me up about 60 some odd people as of today, June 11th. The funnel, how much is it? $25. It's $25. You don't want it next month, then don't pay. If you don't think Save Club is worth it, just don't pay. There's no contracts. You don't have to do anything elaborate. All you got to do is get good at inviting people to your own link and let that video, let that funnel. The funnel is nothing more than someone putting their information in, watching a video, and making a decision, do I want to join or not? And then the next day, if there's an autoresponder, like my opportunities, if you join, if you don't know how to automatically, or if you don't want to email someone back the next day just to see how they're doing, do you need support? Do you need more help? Are you in or are you out? Sometimes it's embarrassing. When you're new to business, you don't want to bug people. But an autoresponder is awesome, and we have built-in autoresponders where for 30 days you get one badass email. And if people want to opt out, they just hit unsubscribed, and they're done. I'm not shy. So if you get a hold of me, I'm going to give you all the information you need. If I don't know what's going on, I just get a hold of support@saveclub.com. And I've got enough experience now. I've signed up well over 1,000 people in a handful of opportunities. And I find this really fun. I don't think this is heavy lifting where I turn on a webcam, turn on that little circle light you can see in my glasses here, and just chat at you guys or email or answer inbox questions. This is fun. All right, I wear shorts and a shirt with sleeves cut off all year round. I'm in Utah. Today it's like 90 degrees outside. That's why I look like barbecue sauce man. But in the wintertime when it's cold, for me to work in an office with air conditioning or heater, I've got my man cave built. I got some nice snacks. I got little mini fridges. This is fun. I've never done online business like this. And to be successful at it, boy, does it really feel good. It's paying bills. And boy, does it pay. I can't ever promise you anything other than if you just make it fun and post our content, come up with your own ways of posting content, and it'll come over a period of time. No one is a guru badass out the get-go. And if they say they are, they're probably faking it to make it. But like I said, you don't need to do that with Save Club. It's $20 a month. And go in the back office and just search all over the place. But just remember, being only 11 days old, no, we're not going to be in every country and city and state right now. It's going to take us a little while, but be patient. We will. We'll have 1 to 2 million people just as members saving their butts off. And the more people that our membership gathers up, we're going to get even better deals from every opportunity or business. That's just how it works. Okay? So if you're in Malaysia or China or maybe a little country I've never heard of, just relax. We're going to get to you. But hurry and join now. We need you to get in as early as possible as an affiliate. Because you might get a maniac like me signing up underneath you. And you could easily make $2, $3, $4 a month off my efforts. But you can only join an affiliate. And right now we don't have enough. We have more people signing up left and right each day at this point. But a lot of people, they don't want to be affiliates. They just want to belong to the Save Club. $19.97. But if you have that $60, I highly recommend that you just lock in today and let's get you a nice team. Let's get you some education and your nerves won't be so rattled up and you'll get real good at posting and just making it fun. Save Club's fun. Don't worry about the negative, and you have to talk about the good old days and all the negative stuff that's going on. People that spend money, it's usually on things that's going to make them happy, like food and something to drink and maybe some travel. But a lot of times you got to fix those darn cars or fix a molar or fix an eyeball, who knows what. But a lot of people, if they have to spend anyway and they save, it makes them happy. I know it sure does with me. Okay, so this isn't something offensive like buying a bottle of shampoo for $80 when it's only worth not even $8, probably more like $3. This is not MLM like that at all, guys. Far from it. $19.97 a month, you're a member. If you don't like it after a month, then just say at least you tried. $60, that is it to be an affiliate for 12 months. Man, just hammer it. Make it fun like I'm doing. Let's just both make a pile of cash and have fun and save money. And let's have other people do the same thing and have a nice little group, okay? But it's up to you. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show my links real quick to you. And there they are. Go to the official link, joinsaveclub.org, and watch this little video. This is our founder, 6 minutes. Go ahead and fill this information out and hit the orange button. And this is where you're going to get an email from Save Club. You decide if you want to join or not, and you can unsubscribe, okay? Now, do you see this funnel here? Right there. Check it out. Here's my new funnel system. This has made me about $1,000, and it's recurring. So every time I get someone to use the funnel, and it's only $25, the company pays me $20, and it's recurring every month. So next month I got already another $1,000 coming in, and I'll probably sign up another, probably 40 or 50 people by then. So I think with my funnel system, it's going to pay me a couple $1,000 per month. Now, this is just my opinion. Remember, I can't guarantee any kind of income when it comes to video like this, but I'll tell you what, so far my success is there, and I do the same thing. I just invite you guys to click something to watch something. Just like now, saveclubfunnels.com, remember with an S, Save Club Funnels. Put in your email right here and hit the yellow button. And do you see this video? This is a 20-minute video that really explains Save Club, even better than this 6-minute one right here. So remember, saveclubfunnels.com. Go and watch this video. And if you want to join Save Club, then join Save Club. And if you've already joined, don't worry about it. You don't have to rejoin me in Save Club. If you join someone like a person and they're not even helping you, join my team. Get the new funnel for $25. Click the red button. And just remember that you can use Visa. Let's see, I always get it wrong. Visa, Discover. There it is right there. Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and American Express. And it's $25. And then you're going to hit this red button and join our teams. Join our groups. Ask questions. Get free pictures and video. Everything's done for you for TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, X, Threads, all those social media platforms you're probably already on. Let's get you uploading and having some fun. But it all starts out with clicking something and watching something. And with this video, I want you to look at both. Because if you join Save Club, I want you to do exactly what I do. Join saveclub.org, saveclubfunnels.com. My work's done. Okay, guys? So anyway, thanks for your time. I love talking about this Save Club thing, and I hope you do too. And if you have any questions, Cory at CoryDraper.com. I'll help you as much as I can. And if you're already joined in Save Club, don't worry about it. I love your questions. I learn a lot from what you guys ask. Okay? And that's it. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. And that is it. So, guys, have a good day. And we'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.